Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss Limited. The Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability dial, push button forward for an automatic headlights and fog lights. A leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter, push button ignition. We have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control. Vehicle is equipped with USB ports as well as the all black interior and our cloth seating in the front of the 2022 Trail Boss Silverado. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires, color-matched door handles with keyless entry, Z71 badging on the front fender. The Trail Boss does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for those big wheel and tire packages. Coming to the front of the vehicle, LED daytime running lamps. We have parking sensors as well as fog lights, Z71 grille, color matched, red tow hook signature on the Trail Boss, 6.2 liter on the hood. Making our way to the back, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start, Trail Boss decal. Vehicle does have our color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, your trailer tow package, as well as LED brake lights. Jumping into the interior, second row cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature, a solid rear window with defrost, solid roof over top, as well LED lighting throughout. Dual USB ports there in the back of the crew cab Silverado. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado Z71 Trail Boss LT. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.